In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube keywords using the vidIQ keyword research tool. If you're looking to enhance your video content's visibility on YouTube, tapping into the right keywords is crucial. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to show you exactly how to do that effectively within just a few minutes. First, make sure you have the vidIQ extension activated on your browser. If you haven't installed it yet, you might want to take a moment to do that, as it's an essential tool for today's tutorial. Once you have it set up, head over to YouTube. With the extension active, it integrates seamlessly into the YouTube interface, allowing you direct access to powerful tools. Next, look for the vidIQ icon, which you should find conveniently placed either in your browser toolbar or along the YouTube sidebar. Clicking on this icon will open the door to various analytical tools designed to boost your YouTube strategy. From the menu that appears, locate and click on the Keyword Inspector. This is the feature we'll be using today to drill down into keyword insights. Picture this tool as your gateway to understanding popular search terms on YouTube, providing data that is both enlightening and strategic. In the Keyword Inspector, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in a topic or a keyword related to your video idea. This could be anything that encapsulates the essence of your content, or a subject you think your potential viewers might be interested in. Once you've typed in your chosen keyword or topic, hit Enter on your keyboard to prompt a series of results. These results will display various keywords, each accompanied by valuable data. Specifically, you'll see the search volume, competition level, and an overall score for each keyword. It's important to pay attention to these metrics, as they inform you about the popularity and competition of each keyword, helping you make educated decisions about which keywords might bring more viewers to your video. Your goal is to identify keywords that have a high search volume but low to medium competition. These are the sweet spots, popular areas that aren't too crowded. Targeting these keywords can significantly improve your video's chances of ranking higher in search results. Finally, once you have evaluated the results, be sure to copy or save the best keywords you've found. You can use these in your video's title, description, and tags. Doing this will increase the likelihood that your content appears in relevant searches, drawing more viewers and potentially growing your channel. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to find YouTube keywords with the help of vidIQ's Keyword Inspector. With this method, you're well on your way to optimizing your video content smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and happy keyword hunting!